Hey guys, it's Tim with Tim's Tech, and today we're going to unbox a Lenovo M8 tablet, the 8-inch version. So let's take it out of the Amazon box here. Got it on Amazon for $100, $118 and some change with shipping and all that. Here's the box. This Tab M8 HD by Lenovo. Never used one of these kind. It's an Android tablet. Let's get this box open. I tried one out. I tried one of the newer versions out with an 11-inch version the other day, and I liked it. Sorry for the camera work. Next time I'll be sure to get the tripod out. But take a look at the back here. It's Wi-Fi iron gray CPU. Got an 8-inch display, WLAN Android 10.0. What I'm going to do with this one is, it is 32 gigabyte. We're going to use it for some music, my guitar music, stuff like that. I forgot one piece of tape. Sorry for the camera work again. Guess I'm doing this right on my laptop here. Let's pull it out. It's just an unboxing. I'll demo it in the next video. But here's the tablet itself. About the size of a Kindle Fire. Has the camera right there. Lenovo, it's the iron gray. Pretty nice looking tablet. Let's pull it out of the pack so you all can see it. Very, very nice. Has front camera, rear camera. Take a look around it. Looks like it uses micro USB. I know this camera works all over the place today, but that's the tablet itself. Open this. You got the manual. You can put a cellular card in there, but I'm not going to do that because I don't want it in this. You got the adapter. You got the USB cable. There's the USB-A side. Just try to pull it out of there. There we go. Micro USB. After using the one the other day, I would recommend, if you want an Android tablet, get one of these Lenovo ones. They're very nice. Very nice tablet here. And here's the first startup, if it will start up. There it goes, Lenovo, powered by Android. We'll get to the screen and we'll continue it next. We'll do a little overview of the software and stuff in the next video. Very nice tablet here. If you like this video, please like and subscribe on YouTube at Tim's Technology or on TikTok at Tim's Tech 21. And we'll catch you next time.